at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Giovanni.
That's right.
We're cooking up a classic, aren't we?
Yes, we are. And we're gonna do it the right way, Lil.
Today's the day.
Sausage and peppers, Lil.
Yes!
That's right. But to do it the right way,
Okay.
you gotta use the right sausage.
And what's that?
It's gotta say pork sausage links with fennel. So first things first, nice hot grill pan, and we're gonna let this go, Lil. This is gonna take a while. While we're finishing up the sausage, we're gonna cut some peppers. I'm going for thick slices. Right now that's all cut. I'm gonna pull the sausage off. I'm gonna replace it with a saute pan, okay?
Okay.
And now we're gonna get this pan nice and hot. Grab some oil, get that oil hot. So we're gonna throw that in there, just like that. And really, we want this to wilt a lot. So this is gonna take a minute, Lo. So that's wilted enough to add some garlic, some salt, some pepper. While it's finishing, we're gonna cut up our sausage. Now you can cut your sausage any way you like it. Just looking for the garlic to start browning. Gonna put that marinara in, we're gonna bring it up to a simmer, and then we're gonna plate it.
Easy, it's delicious.
It's sausage and peppers.
That's what it is.
The right way.
The right way, and you can make it the right way. Just head to our website, newscall.com, and you'll find the recipe there. Giovanni, you did it again. Thank you.
Yes, I did. Thank you, Lo.